Now here's a story to whet your appetite. After months of threatening to turn spaghetti into a luxury item, Washington has finally taken its fork off the panic button. The United States has dramatically slashed its proposed tariffs on Italian pasta makers, easing fears of eye-watering price hikes and diplomatic indigestion. Well, much to Italy's relief. Following a preliminary review by the US Department of Commerce, duties once pitched at a staggering 92% have been pared down to far more digestible levels. In October 2025, the US accused 13 Italian pasta producers of dumping their products into American supermarkets at unfairly low prices. Two brands, Molisana and Garofalo, were singled out as repeat offenders, facing the heaviest penalties on top of the standard 15% tariff applicable on most EU imports. Well, fast forward to this week, the tone has softened considerably. After simmering on the data and with cooperation from Italian exporters, US officials recalculated the numbers. Molisana's proposed tariff has been reduced to just 2.2%, while Garofalo's now stands at 13.98%. The remaining 11 pasta makers, which were not individually examined, will face a tariff rate of just over 9%. Well, Rome has welcomed the U-turn with considerable satisfaction.
The redefining of these tariff rates is a testament to the U.S. authorities' recognition of our company's effective will to cooperate.
Final decision, though, is due on March the 12th, but it could be delayed by up to 60 days, and no changes to duties will take effect until the review is complete. For Italy, the stakes are high. Pasta exports were worth more than $4 billion, with the US market alone accounting for nearly $800 million. The 13 companies under scrutiny represent around 16% of American pasta imports from Italy, a sizable slice of the penne-shaped pie. Well, industry leaders were quick to applaud the climb down.
This is a great step forward. In Italy, we are finally working as a team.
The decision by US authorities confirms that the United States is a country attentive to Italy and the fate of our economy.
Well, the pasta reversal is just the latest example of Washington easing off on its once sweeping tariff plans. Critics have mocked the pattern, saying Trump always chickens out. They point to the recent delays on tariffs for furniture and kitchen cabinets, exemptions for hundreds of agricultural products, and a 90-day pause on reciprocal tariffs affecting dozens of countries. Well, so for now, Italian pasta makers can breathe easier, and American consumers can keep twirling their spaghetti without fearing it will be priced off the menu. The world doesn't fit in boxes, so why should your news? From battlefields to negotiation tables, from internet outrage to real-world injustice. The conversations everyone is having and the ones they're avoiding. It's the same show, but this new year, Firstpost America gets a new look. I'm Kerry Johnston, and this is Firstpost America.